Grind the cutter. Firstly, check lower cutter's abrasion, then set cutter level on the machining bench of the grinder. Grind the cutting place and wear place to be flat, till we can't see any abrasion. Then fix the lower cutter to a dedicated slope fixture. Both the upper side and the lower side of the fixture have 2 holes. All 4 holes on the lower cutter should be aligned with the 4 holes on the fixture. Set the wear side of the cutter on higher side of the fixture. Lock screws, then put them on the grinder. Make the higher side close to the machine. After that, marking the slope surface of 4 corners on the lower cutter. Every slope through face needs to be at the angle between 3.2 to 3.5 degree. And during grinding slope, we need dedicated marking model and make all 4 surfaces at exactly same size. When you finish one side, disassemble it, then switch other side to continue machining. After finishing all 4 sides, to carefully file burr by a 600 mesh sandpaper on the inner round if there are any burr. The flat surface on the stretch board needs to even with the cutter. How much you grind on the cutter, how much you need to decrease on the stretch board by lathe. After that, chamfer the outside round of the stretch board. The slope surface must lower above 0.3 millimeters than the cutter. Finally, check the abrasion on the upper cutter. We only need to grind all abrasion to flat on the cutting side. When you finish grinding, file all burr to smooth on the outside round by a 600 mesh sandpaper.